Hi everyone, Henry here with another value-packed video. Today I'm going to show you my secret app that I've been developing, my SaaS app, my very own SaaS app, and I've been developing this stuff. How long to develop this stuff? 2 days? Yes, about 2 days or so to develop my own app. You know how you think of System.io? System.io is an app, it's a SaaS app that helps people to perform certain stuff on the internet. Just as you have ClickFunnels as a SaaS app also that help users to do their marketing stuff on ClickFunnels platform. The same way you have Go High Level. If you don't know about this app, these are all SaaS apps that allow users to automate their marketing, to sell their products, and to do all this stuff. They are called SaaS application. Meanwhile, my own, come on guys, it's not that bad. Let me show you my own. It's not really a blank page like this, but let me show you how it works. But now, before I even show you what my own looks like and how my own SaaS app is going to function, let me tell you about my own goal. My dream is that I want to be able to create a SaaS app that will allow me to make up to 100K per month, helping people solve particular problem in any niche at all. And I'm focusing business owners. So I begin to think about System.io, what people can do on System.io. And for some of you that don't know what SaaS means, this is just a fancy word, software as a service. So that's what SaaS simply means, just a software as a service, a platform where you go to without needing to download the stuff. You don't need to go and download anything on the internet before you can have access. You just go online and use it, just like we use all these platforms that we are using today, all the Google apps, all the AI, all the ChatGPT, they are all SaaS app. But the good news about what I'm creating right now, I'm creating it on System.io. How cool is that? On System.io platform, which simply means that everything that I'm going to be doing right now is going to be free of charge, just my ideas and few things that I'm going to walk you through on how you can create your own app. So but let me give you a quick background. So you can see right now, my goal here is to develop a SaaS, an application on top of System.io. What is the application going to be doing for me? Or what is this SaaS? What is this my app will be doing for you? Is that it will help you analyze your content and also give us heat map. As you can see right now, this is the first iteration. I was able to get it to the stage whereby it works perfectly. But this is the backstory. So at first, when I did the first one, I'll have to copy and paste every information on a particular landing page. And once I copy it and I'll paste it and I'll click on the analyzer and it will analyze this information. Basically, it was working, but see, you can see right now, I'm still having this dot here. I'm having dot here. And the dot here is something that is actually picking up the heat map, where I am touching, where I'm clicking, where users are going to be clicking. If you pay a little bit attention, you will notice that this app actually is functioning very, very well, just that it's not giving us the best user experience. So I decided to try it again. So when I did try it again for the second time, I was like, okay, I don't want something that will be giving those stuff. I went back again, used ChatGPT, used the tool I'm using to generate this particular code, and I arrived at this. This time around, I'll be able to, without the box, it will just automatically go and pack and scrape this whole information here and do the content analysis itself without allowing me to go and pack. You can see how this stuff is growing. Yes, the app is growing. Yeah. So right now we can click analyze and it will analyze and also do the heat map. So this is the second iteration of the app. So what is now the final stage that we got to? The final stage is that we totally remove everything on the page so that even when users come to our landing page, they will not see stuff just anyhow. You can see now everything is tush. Can you locate where the app is now? Now my SaaS is literally staying this side by the right hand corner. But when you click right now, what do you see? You see a sweet and a nice user interface. This user interface is going to analyze everything on this page for us on the go. We don't need to copy or do anything. It will go and analyze the page and give us a page score based on certain insights. Good headline structure with 4 headings, you say good. Good CTA presence with 6 conversion elements, you say good. This thing is literally going through, reading everything here and see which one is a header. This is header 1. Seeing which one is a H1, H2 based on good practice. And looking at all the various stuff, looking at counting all the images. Look at, even telling us we have 11 images on this page. And it's telling us it's good. It's telling us the length. The length. Can you see? Content length is appropriate for a sales page. Can you see? Great engagement with average time on page for 90 minutes, 4 seconds. Because I've been going through this page over and over, it's calculating and keeping track of everything that I'm doing. Imagine having a tool like this that you can use on your landing page. Whenever you're running an ad campaign or organic traffic, you are getting all these metrics. System.io is not going to give you all this stuff. Even Facebook will not give you all this information. They will use it for themselves, and they will give you little ones that you can use to just manage your campaign. But you can get this stuff on your own System.io account or any account. Now, this is free stuff. I'm going to share this code to everybody that cares to have it, because just like I said, it's an idea. I want to make a 100K app, but of course, I'm not going to just start selling you guys the unfinished product, but I'm also going to share with you my journey and show you how you can do stuff like this. Now, let's see. When you click on heat map, this heat map is even tracking how many clicks this page has so far. The heat map clicks, metrics, is showing you get access now. This is where people are clicking. You see, look at the get access. This is it. This is where people are clicking. It's showing you. Now, see another place. Are you leaving money on the table? Image turning. Now, it's giving us information about where people are clicking. See, this thing here. Are you leaving money on the table? That is the kind of information you get. You can even click show heat map and to show you the heat map. Look at mouse movement, scroll depth, etc. Look at the metrics as well. It's telling us we have 11 headlines here. We have 11 images, CTA, 6 images, test length, 5.1K characters, user engagement. These are valuable metrics that if you have, it will change the game for you. Come on, man. Tell me that this is not a SaaS app that's going to work for you. This is something that's going to do very, very well to give you analytics that you need. Now, we'll talk about that later. This is not even about the SaaS app. The goal here is that I'm just giving you a hint into what I'm able to do with System.io. This stuff, you can do this stuff yourself. Something like this is literally what I created right now. I did this stuff using System.io custom code, and I have been telling you about how you can create your own one-click AI landing page or website. It's the same model. You can literally do anything you want to do. And the best part is that because we are doing it on System.io, simply means that it is free for us to do. Now, I'm going to work on this. I'm going to make it better. See, maybe I'm going to do it as a System.io add-on or any type of website at all. But you guys just tell me what you think. Do you think something like this can be useful? And if you think it can be useful, you want to do something like this, let me know. I can even give you this same code or do a tutorial on how I did this stuff, basically from A to Z. If you're interested, let me know. Your feedback will help me know if something like this is something you are willing to do for yourself. So in fact, I'm thinking I'm going to do a series video around this stuff and just literally show everybody how I did this stuff step by step so that you can do it for your own business. You can create your own app, your own dream app on top of the System.io platform and sell it to other System.io users, or you do it for your own self to literally skyrocket your own business. This is SaaS like every other app that you see, and you can literally do this stuff using System.io custom function. And I've had a couple of videos where I show you how to integrate this stuff. So, like I said, comment below if you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial on how I was able to create this stuff, the iteration process from this level here where we are still having the tool showing where we're able to eliminate where we're able to simplify the interface to something like this, having a more polished tool that we can just toggle up and toggle out, and we can click, switch, check everything. We can click on heat map and it will just load and show us a lot of stuff. So this is fantastic app. Tell me what you think about this and let's grow together. If you really want to learn more about how to create your own custom function tools on System.io platform that's going to help you skyrocket your business, be it a SaaS app or certain custom functionality, click this particular video here and keep learning. See you in the next one.